Meet FlowAi, a tool designed to build workflow using diagrams, all powered by React Flow. Each node represents an action or step in the workflow. Inside a node, you can assign a prompt or task for the AI to execute. Once you run the workflow, you get results for each task. For example, in the first node, we ask the AI to provide topics to learn JavaScript. Then we can expand the workflow by adding another node that generates a study calendar program. The interesting part about this ad is smart cache. Your workflow only runs where changes occur, whether it's an update prompt, a new node, or a change in the main node affecting multiple subnodes. FlowAi uses a basic topological sorting algorithm, ensuring that the main node are processed first before the secondary node. This maintains a logical and coherent sequence for repetitive AI responses. For example, if you change the main node from Learn JavaScript to Learn TypeScript, the entire workflow runs again. This lets you create repeatable workflow where a single change updates the result while keeping them aligning with the previous structure. You can add as many nodes as your workflow needs based on your access limit to the ChatGPT API or your ads requirement. Plus, you can save, download, and reload workflow directly into your browser memory. FlowAI is fully documented in both English and Spanish and is available on my website for anyone interested in learning more about this project or accessing the code. And remember, if you want to learn to create your own AI application, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media.